Verifying your identity on IngramSpark is an essential step to ensure your account is secure and that you can publish your work. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the IngramSpark website and create an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to set up your profile. Step 2. Access the verification section. Log into your IngramSpark account and navigate to the account settings. Look for the section labeled Identity Verification or similar to begin the verification process. Step 3. Provide required documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your identification documents. Make sure to double check that you have selected the correct files and that they meet the specified requirements outlined on the site. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your document, wait for IngramSpark to review your submission. This process may take a few days. You will receive an email notification once your identity has been verified or if further action is needed. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on IngramSpark, allowing you to publish your work with confidence. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to IngramSpark's customer support for assistance.